Hello, Mary Grace. Can you start to introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. I am Mary Grace Diza Alcantara from Philippines.
Yes.
I am 41 years old. I am married. I have one children and
Yes.
he is 20 years old, still studying in college. I have one sister. I have two brothers, and my work experience is I work from since year 2009 to 2014. I taking care of
In where?
in Cyprus. I take
Cyprus in Europe, right?
Yes, ma'am. And I taking care of the old man. I clean the house. It's too big, 2 stories, and taking care of the
Only
dog.
one helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, continue.
And I have the pool, the garden.
Swimming pool?
Yes, ma'am. I clean the swimming pool
Yes.
once a week. And I have the he has the garden. And I have one dog. And after that, I work also in the Philippines, taking care of the elderly also.
Excuse me, about in Cyprus, what food you always cook?
It's their Cypriot food, ma'am. It's for dinner. We cook and we prepare also the vegetable salad.
Which was that?
We cook also the spaghetti. Their dishes there, ma'am.
Okay.
I learned also how to cook the Cypriot food.
Okay, continue.
And I work also in the Philippines, taking care of the elderly three. They are 50 and 60 years old.
From which year you start?
I start work there at maybe 2018 until 2021.
Yes.
And I clean the house.
Yes.
Clean the house, cook their food. I need to feed all them also. And after that, I go to Hong Kong May 19, 2025. I taking care of mom and sir, and they have 2 kids. Their kids are 6 years old and 12 years old.
Yeah.
But their kids, I need to prepare their breakfast every morning.
Yes.
I need to prepare also their lunch box, their water bottle.
You mean that you also need to prepare the lunch box sent to the school, or?
I put there in their bag,
Yeah.
prepare their uniforms. I take a shower of them every night, comb their hair, okay, and then I'll send them in the school, and I fetch them in the school. If they have an activity, I need to send them also in other school. I clean after that. When I go back home or arrive, I clean the house. I wash. I clean some other part of their windows, and I need to prepare also what we're going to cook for dinner before I go to fetch the kids to school. Then when we arrive, we start cooking. We need to also to find another work.
So why you got terminated only 1 month?
Maybe, madam, they are not satisfied with my work, or they cannot wait me to adjust for their time is not enough to wait to adjust my performance. But I do, and I do my very best to work. But I learn more work hardly and more quickly to work here in Hong Kong. Ma'am, sir, hope to help me to find another job.
Okay, goodbye.